Hey guys, it's me Rajeshri here today, and today I'm going to be making Oreo Swiss Rolls. So let's get on to the video. And the ingredients we will be needing are Oreos, melted butter, melted chocolate. You can also use chocolate syrup. I didn't have chocolate syrup, so that's why I use melted chocolate, and Oreos and some sugar. You can also use brown sugar or powdered sugar. So first what we need to do is take the Oreos. We just need half a packet, by the way. So take the Oreos and just take out the fillings. It doesn't matter if the fillings like break apart or anything, because in the last we're gonna mush them all in together and then make like icing kind of thing. So I'm just gonna do this with all the Oreos and I'll come back. Okay guys, so I have separated the biscuit and the cream. So now what we have to do is we need to blend these Oreos all together in a mixer and then make it like a fine powder. So I'll do that and come back. Okay guys, so I have blended the Oreo like powder like, and so it's just like that. And then after that, now what I'm actually gonna do is make the filling. So we just need the cream, then a little bit of sugar. Yeah, that's enough. And then just a little bit of butter. Not too much, just a bit, because we need the rest for the powder, and we don't need that much in the filling. So now what we have to do is mix it up till it's like a smooth creamy paste. And I'm also gonna do one thing. I'm gonna add a little bit of the chocolate sauce I made, so it has like a brownish color and also like a chocolate flavor. So I am just going to mix it till it's like a smooth paste, and when it's smooth paste I'll come back. Okay, so I forgot to tell you that we need just a little bit of milk, not too much, just like a spoon of milk for the filling. And don't add too much because we don't want it to be very liquidy, but we want it to be like a smooth and thick consistency. Okay, so let me just mix this well and I'll come back. Okay, so this is the consistency we need. So it's like very thick and also a little loose. So that's the filling we need. So now let's go to the powder. So what we need is just a little bit of milk, like this, 2 spoons. That's enough. And yes, this one we do not want it liquidy. We want it like a dough, because it's Swiss rolls and we can't make Swiss rolls with liquid batter. So this, we need to make it like a dough. So I added the milk, and now I'm gonna mix it a little bit. One Oreo didn't crumble. Okay, so that much, and then now we need to add our butter. Okay, now we need to mix our butter in the batter. And so you'll see these like little balls forming. That's fine because we need to make it like a dough. And yep. And now we are gonna add the chocolate sauce. That's good. Okay. Gonna scrape that. Okay. So now we're gonna mix it again. So now I just have to mix this mixture till it becomes a dough. So I will come back to you as soon as it becomes a dough. Okay, so I have made the dough, and it's okay if like the dough crumbles like this, because it's fine. You're safe if you like squish it back together and it turns into like it sticks together. So that's fine. And you need to knead it with your hands or else it will not come together. So what we have to do is now get the mixture you've made and then make it into a dough. And you need silver foil. You can use cling wrap or silver foil. Anything is fine. So just take that. Then wait, I need to take the rest. Okay. Yes. So now just need to spread it out and be gentle. Don't be too harsh, because the silver foil might tear, and also the dough will be too thin and it will probably not roll. So let me just flatten all of this back. Let me just flatten all of this and I'll come back. Okay, so I have flattened it out, and you can use a rolling pin too, but like my hand was way easier. So now we have, it can be any shape, like it can be flattened out in a circle, in a square. So just circle or square, but nothing else. So now we need to take the frosting and little by little, so just take it and then put it in the middle and then spread it out gently. Make sure your spoon or like your spatula doesn't touch the Oreo, because the Oreo dough, or it might break. Like there might be a hole and like you won't be able to roll your dough. So I'm just gonna put the filling and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have spread out the filling. So now you just need to do exactly like if you know how to make sushi, you'll know that like when you make sushi you have to roll it and then press it down there. So I'm just gonna do that same thing over here. So I roll it, and then when I see the ending, I'll just make it touch the filler. So like this, and then I'll do that, and then I'll slowly let go. So yeah, just like that. It's okay if it breaks, because not breaks like that, but like it's okay if it doesn't come like this. Okay. Yes. very gentle, okay? So that, and then the last step. So, and then for the last one, we need to like do it from here. Just like that. And then just wrap it like a candy bar. So like that. Do not mush it, like do not pat down, or else it will get completely opened. Okay. So then we have like this candy bar shape, and then you can just like slightly do this so it will be like cylinder, right? And then yeah, so that's it. And you cannot eat it straight away because it's going to be melted and not in a proper Swiss roll way. So you need to put it in your freezer for like 1 hour 30 minutes, and then you'll have the perfect Oreo Swiss rolls. So I will come back to you right after 1 hour 30 minutes. Bye. Okay guys, so it's been 1 hour 30 minutes, and now let's take out the Swiss roll. I can't wait to try it. Okay. So take it out. So now let's cut it open. So I'm gonna cut right from the middle. Do you guys see the roll? Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut them into small pieces. Okay guys, so I have cut all the pieces up, and now let's do the taste test. It is so yummy guys, and thank you so much for watching, and do try this out in your homes, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Like, subscribe and share.